Welcome back to the channel. So today we're taking out the Haiboxing 18859 for its first ever test run. You're going to notice that we're going to a new location today. It is really early. It's a little bit wet and it's a little bit windy, but we're going to take the Haiboxing out. We're going to see how it performs and hopefully get a really good run out of it. So everything is set to go. Let's head down there and I will see you in a bit. Right then, so we are back. As you see, a really enjoyable run today. Now this thing has really proved itself as far as I'm concerned. It's only a tiny little 1/18 scale monster truck, but it was handling, you know, some fairly tall grass. It was quite muddy, it was quite wet down there as well. At one point this thing was near enough fully submerged. Now it's not recommended because obviously you don't really want water getting into the electronics. It is splash proof, but again, you know, it's not something I'd advise you to actually do. Now I wanted to push the boundaries with this thing, which is why I actually did a lot of these things. Now, do you know what? It has actually come out the other side intact. Very pleased with the overall run. I would definitely recommend one of these. It wasn't actually that fast. Now you can adjust the speed on this on its max power setting on the transmitter itself. It still didn't feel that quick. Now this is quite a cheap budget sort of orientated truck. It's ideal for, you know, maybe your one of your kids or someone who is sort of looking to get into the hobby. This would definitely sort of be the perfect model for them. When it comes to runtime, I did actually use both the included lipos that this come with. Now I was pushing quite hard, you know, 9 times out of 10 I was running at full throttle because I'm used to running fast RCs and it didn't feel that quick. So a lot of the time this was, you know, pinned at full throttle, and I still managed to get about 12 to 15 minutes run time. Now that is absolutely great. Part of the reason for this is probably because it's so light. It barely weighs anything, so, you know, running this thing on its tiny little included lipos, we did get some good runtime out of it. So like I said, would I actually recommend one? Absolutely yes. It's definitely on my top 5 list of cheap budget RCs. Now we are going to actually take the other 1/16 scale model out next week. We're going to see how that performs as well. We won't be going to the same place, we'll be going somewhere different. You'll probably recognize it anyway. But yeah, overall, really good fun run with this today. I would definitely recommend one. Just go ahead and get one and see for yourself. But again, bear in mind, they're not the quickest thing. If you're looking for a little bit more speed, there's definitely a few other options out there, but this is definitely a good base to actually start with. So guys, we're going to leave it there today. Really pleased with this. I hope you like the new location as well. We'll definitely be making an appearance down there again. I'm trying new things. I'm going to different places because I do want to make the videos different. Getting up super early, getting absolutely covered in mud. But I hope it was all worth it, guys, because it was enjoyable. Take care, and I will see you again soon on the next video.